Right, this is the M2, and for this you can see you've got to analyse the legal, ethical and operational issues that you've just described in P5 and P6. So you're going to think about the impact that following those legal policies has on London Zoo. That means think about what would happen if they didn't exist, if those legal policies weren't there, the Data Protection Act and the Computer Misuse Act and the Freedom of Information Act. So what would happen if they weren't there? Why are they there? What's good about them being there? It says here advantages and disadvantages, but I would like you to think really about what's good about them being there and what would happen if they weren't there rather than disadvantages. You know, what's the opposite of what could happen? So obviously if it was legal for people to go hacking into other people's computers, computer systems, you know, what can that lead to? So think about that. And we've got the impact on following the ethical policies. Again, those are there for a reason. What are those reasons? What are the advantages, the reasons of having those ethical policies about not sending out too many emails and the other things? And what would happen if those policies weren't there? And then the third point is the impact on London Zoo of having to follow organisational policies. And again, what happens? Why are the good things? Why are they there? What is the purpose of having those organisational policies? And if they weren't there, what would happen then? It says at the bottom here, think about the benefits and drawbacks to the business and its customers. And that's what I want you to think about in those 3 points. Why they're there, that's the benefits, and what would happen if they weren't there, and that would be the drawbacks. See how you get on.